Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Mbija Aching and I'm so glad to have you here today. I hope you're excited as I am to learn the Luo language. Koro Nyinga ilongoni Herina Chieng Mbija. Nying means name, Nyinga and my name is. So we are going to be learning the Luo language, simple Luo language for children as well as adults. So I hope you're going to enjoy this as much as I am enjoying it. And you should be able to speak fluent Luo by the end of this year. New Year resolutions. It's still early on in the year. So I hope that parents are going to be able to practice with their children, mommies and children, and daddies and children, my own children as well. And something came up here. So this is it. So we are going to start by learning very simple body parts. 1. Eyes. Ear, hair. Wu, nose. Dog, mouth. Lack, teeth. Leo, tongue. Eat, ears. Ngut, neck. Other things that you should be able to say by now if you don't know how to say them is Nyinga and my name is. Abiro, I am coming. Ade, I am going. Ade school, I am going to school. Abiro ot, I am coming home. What else can I think of other words to say? Okay. So I guess we'll just take it easy as we go along and think of other words and other phrases that we use in our everyday communication. So we look forward to being with you on this channel, and we'll see you next week for more Luo lessons. Wanere.